Lecture we will revise the basics of coordinate geometry with the help of few solved examples. So here comes the first question, which is asking us to find the distance between the point 7, -5 and the x-axis. Now we know that the distance between any point and the x-axis is actually the y-coordinate of that point. So here we are likely to conclude that the answer is -5. But we know that the distance is never a negative number. So we should understand that here the negative sign of y coordinate is to indicate the direction. Therefore, we will submit the correct answer as 5 in the numeric entry field to conclude this question successfully. So let us go to the second question, where point A -1, 1 and B 3, 4 are given, and we are expected to find the distance between A and B. So here we can apply the distance formula and see that distance between AB is equal to square root of -1 -3, that is the difference between x coordinates, the whole square, plus 1 - 4, that is the difference between the y coordinates, again whole squared. Therefore you get AB is equal to square root of -4 the whole squared plus -3 the whole squared. That gives you AB equal to square root of 16 plus 9, which is 25. So it is 5. So once again we will enter 5 in the numeric entry field provided and conclude this question successfully. So let us look at the third question, which also seems to be of numeric entry type here. Now what is given is point A -4, 5 and B, which is 7, 8. It is also given that AB is parallel to CD and we are expected to find the slope of CD. Now what we will do first is we will understand that two parallel lines have the same slope. Therefore, to find the slope of CD, it is enough to find the slope of AB. Now, how do we find the slope of AB? It is the difference between y coordinates divided by the difference between the x coordinates taken in the same order. So what I mean by that is illustrated here. 8 - 5, the difference between y coordinates in the numerator, divided by 7 minus of -4, which is 7 plus 4, that is 11 in the denominator. Therefore you get 3/11 as the slope of AB, and that is also the slope of CD. Okay, so we will once again enter 3 in the numerator, 11 in the denominator, and complete this question successfully. Now the next question, here it says that point C, which is -3, x, is the midpoint of segment joining point A, y, 6 and B, 6, 8. Then we are supposed to find the absolute value of x plus y. The reason behind stating absolute value is, you can see x plus y is entered here by in the modulus sign, okay, inside the modulus. So to solve this problem, we will apply the simple midpoint formula. By the way, the extremities of segment are A, y, 6 and B, 6, 8. So applying the midpoint formula, we get that the midpoint -3, x is equal to y plus 6 by 2, 6 plus 8 by 2. So this gives you -3 is equal to y plus 6 upon 2. On simplification, you will get y is equal to -12, and here the second coordinate comparison gives you x is equal to 7. Therefore, you get x plus y is -5, but we are interested in the absolute value of x plus y, that is modulus of x plus y. Therefore, we will enter 5 in the numeric entry field. Now here comes the next question, where the equation of a line is given by x plus 4y equal to 2. This line is known to intersect the x-axis at point A, which is a comma 0, and the y-axis at point B, which is 0 comma B. Then we are supposed to find the value of a plus 2b. Now clearly point a comma 0 and point B 0 comma B are the x and the y intercepts of that line. So what we do is we rewrite this equation x plus 4y equal to 2 as x upon 2 plus y upon 1 by 2 or 0.5 equal to 1. This equation is nothing else but the equation of a line written in double intercept form. This means this line is intersecting the x-axis at 2 comma 0 and the y-axis at 0 comma 1 by 2. Therefore, the value of small a is 2 and that of small b is equal to 1 by 2. This implies that a plus 2b is equal to 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. Therefore, we will enter 3 in the numeric entry field and conclude this question successfully. Now let us go to the last question of today's class here. They have said the equation of a circle is x minus 3 the whole squared plus y plus 4 the whole squared is equal to 16, and they have asked us to identify the correct center and radius of this particular circle. So what we will do here is we will compare the given equation x minus 3 the whole squared plus y plus 4 the whole squared equal to 16 with x minus h the whole squared plus y minus k the whole squared equal to r squared to obtain that h is equal to 3, k is equal to minus 4 and r is equal to 4. And therefore you can see from the list of options here B is the correct answer, and therefore we will mark B and conclude this question successfully. So thank you for watching. For more such videos, check out our playlist and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.